pregnancy is not a new phenomenon. Women have been getting pregnant and giving birth for many thousands of years, and it is almost a certainty that they have been trying for the same length of time to find ways of confirming their pregnancy in its early stages. The options of visiting a doctor or buying an over-the-counter pregnancy test from a pharmacy were not available to the ancestors of modern women. Number 1. Sugar test. Collect some of your early morning urine sample in a disposable glass. Pour this urine on around 2-3 teaspoons of granulated sugar and wait for about 8-10 minutes. In case it forms clumps, you're pregnant. If sugar dissolves, you're not. Number 2. Mustard powder. This early homemade pregnancy test is also beneficial in ascertaining pregnancy. If you have skipped your periods and are suspecting a pregnancy, fill a bathtub with hot water and add freshly ground mustard powder to it. Now soak yourself in it for half an hour or so. Take an everyday water shower after this. Number 3. Bleach test. Collect early morning urine sample in a plastic cup. Take about half a cup of bleach and pour the urine on it. Please make sure you do not inhale any fumes in this process. If you observe any fizzing or foaming in the process, you're pregnant. If not, it is highly possible you are not. Number 4. Toothpaste test. To conduct a pregnancy test with toothpaste, you will need a clean bowl and spatula and toothpaste, of course. Make sure the toothpaste you use is the understandable while and not of any other color. Also, opt for simple toothpaste, not the one that contains grains. Steer clear of gel-based toothpaste as well. In a clean bowl, squeeze some toothpaste. Add a few drops of urine to the pan and mix it well with a spatula, spoon or a brush. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes. Number 5. Tuna juice and vinegar pregnancy test. This test usually contains 2 elements which need to be adjusted together in a proper amount to get the better result about your pregnancy. It can efficiently perform at home for you, so you have to get tuna juice and vinegar for it and mix them together with suitable for further steps. Number 6. Urine itself. Collect your urine in a jar or a bottle. Make sure the container is resting on a flat surface and do not touch or shake it at all. After 24 hours, if you see a thin white layer on the surface of your urine, the test is positive and confirms your pregnancy. If nothing shows up on the top layer of your urine, the test is negative, and you are not pregnant.